Hello viewer, welcome to my channel. This is Imraz Kanratin. In my last two videos, I showed simple example on AngularJS filter and the title was Use of basic filter in AngularJS and search filter on multiple properties in AngularJS. Both links is given in description part. In this video, I am gonna show how we can create a custom multiple filters of AngularJS and how we can use those filters with simple and short example. If you not subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe now for future video tutorials. Let's see how we can create and use multiple filters of AngularJS. Let's create a new project. ASP.NET Web Application, Custom Filter, select empty, add Angular script, you can download this angular.main.js script from AngularJS official website. You also find that process in my previous video. Take a JavaScript file where I will write Angular part script, an HTML page, and a CSS page. Okay. Drag and drop angular.main.js app angular.module controller my controller function take scope dot students. I'm taking a student array name Rabbi gender 1 in class number class 9 Shorna gender 2 means female class 10 Saira gender 2 means female class 12 Sakib 1 means male class number 5 Maya gender 2 in class 6. I'm gonna customize filter on this gender property and class noun property. As output, I want to see male and female text instead of 1 and 2 and the Roman number of class number. Go to index.html, drag and drop Angular script, my script, and style sheet. ng app, which is my module, take controller div, ng controller, my controller, table th name gender class nom tbody tr repeat student in students dot name gender class nom. Okay, style sheet table border collapse th and td border solid. Let's see the current output. Now I am going to apply filter on gender. When the value of gender is 1, it will show male, and when the value of gender is 2, then it will show female. Script file, filter, and the name of this filter will be gender function return another function gender. If gender equal 1, then it will return male. When 2, then it will return female. Otherwise, return other. Now I am going to apply this gender filter on gender property of student. Let's see on browser. Refresh Ctrl F5. Okay, done. Instead of using this filter in this part, we can create it on another JS file, which is better. Let's take another JavaScript file, name filter. Now I am going to declare this gender filter in filter.js file on this app variable. So what I have to do is drag and drop this script file and app dot cut paste. Okay, and we have to drag and drop this filter.js file in index.html. Now go to browser and refresh it. Okay, it's working. Now I want to declare another custom filter which will convert this class nom in Roman number. So go to filter.js file, create another filter and say name Romanize function which will return parameter class. I'm going to copy a method Romanize which I get from Google. It will convert any number in Roman number. So I'm gonna use this here. Return plus. Now apply this filter on this class noun property. Let's see the output. Okay, done. In this way, we can create a custom filter and apply it on different properties. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and share, and obviously subscribe my channel for new video tutorials. Thank you.